Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play a song, He Sees What We Don't, written by Amber Eppinette, who sings with 11th Hour. She and the group released this song around October 2015. And I just recently heard this song and the lyrics just really spoke to me so much. And have you ever thought about that? How God sees what we don't? And just kind of some of the lyrics in this, God saw ahead and knew what we would need in times of mourning and sorrow, and He provides that comfort ahead of time. He knows what we're going to be going through. He knows the end from the beginning. He knows the trials and tribulations that we're going to be going through, and He has a plan for us, and He's always with us. He never leaves us nor forsakes us. But He looks ahead past the hurt and the pain to a place where the peace passes all understanding. Just what a great lyrics this song and the meaning that this have. If you would, I encourage you, there's a link in my description below to this song with 11th Hour singing it. I encourage you to click on that link and just listen to that song a couple of times and let the song speak to you. Also, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs in my description below that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet to this song as we learn it together. So let's get started. And though you may see a valley, He sees the mountain you'll be standing on. When all you can see are the tears falling down, I'm so glad He sees what we don't. Okay, that was the chorus, and it's a very beautiful song. It has a couple of verses and sings the chorus through a couple of times, and it has a beautiful bridge and an outro to this song as well. I played in the key of C. This is original key from 11th Hour as well. And again, you can download the lyrics and chord sheet in my description below and follow along as we learn the song together, okay? The chords used to play this song are C major, F major, A minor, and then G major. That's all the chords needed to play this beautiful song. Just a quick review on how to play each of these chords. C major is played by placing finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret. Skip a string, place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret. Then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret. Play all strings but the top E string. Don't play that. That is C major. Okay, and then F major, just simply move these fingers down 1 string each and then bar across strings number 1 and 2 and then play the bottom 4 strings. That's F major. So bar strings 1 and 2 with the 1st finger, and then finger number 2 placed on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 is on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, and then play the bottom 4 strings. F major, or you can use the bar chord. F major, which is like an E shape, moved up 1, and then bar your first finger across all strings. F major, okay? With your 1st finger on string number 2 of the 1st fret, then finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, strum all strings but the top E string. A minor, okay? And then lastly is G major, okay? To play G major, place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string of the 3rd fret, and then your little finger, finger number 4, on the very 1st string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. G major, okay? Okay, this song is in 6/8 time, so there's 6/8 notes per measure, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can still use the down up pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The song is very slow. I tend to speed songs up, and I shouldn't, but it's best to keep this song pretty slow, and has more meaning to that. So let's look at the chord progression of the first. The verse. There are times in this life when fear is so heavy and burdens weigh on your mind. You are weak in the knees and no strength you can find. Just hold on, help's right on time. My Jesus is always on time. Okay, let's play through that one time, okay? Again, C major. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F, C, A minor, way on, G major. You are weak in the knee and no strength you can find. Just hold on, help's right on time. F, G. Okay, that's the first verse, and it goes right into the chorus. Similar chord progression, okay? So you're ending on that C, and then on the word though, you'll strum F major, okay? And though you may see a valley, He sees the mountain you'll be standing on. When all you can see are the tears falling down, I'm so glad He sees what we don't. Okay, let's play through the chorus one more time. And though, F major, see a valley, F major, He sees the mountain, C major, F major, A minor. Okay, so now let's look at the chord progression on the second verse, okay? I've seen His children walk through the darkest of midnight. I've witnessed faith put to the test, and I've watched as the storms flew in with the thunder, but in each trial He knows what's best. And I'm so glad He knows what's best. Okay, let's play through that one more time. Okay, I've seen F major, C major, F major, C, A minor, F major, G major, C. Okay, now there's a very beautiful bridge. We'll look through that. It starts off in F. He knows the end from the beginning. He looks ahead past the hurt and the pain to a place where the peace passes all understanding. He sees the sun through the rain. Okay, it goes into the outro next. It's similar to the chorus, a very beautiful ending. Okay, and though you may see your valley, He sees the mountain you'll be standing on, where all you can see are the tears falling down. I'm so glad He sees what we don't. I'm so glad He sees what we don't. Man, this is a very beautiful song, just a great worship song. And it's good to know that God sees ahead in time what we're going to be going through, and He already has a plan for taking care of us and providing comfort and joy and peace in our life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and hit the like button. I would appreciate that very much. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Appreciate everybody viewing today. Have a great, blessed day. God bless you.